Hello, this is Steven with Budget Blinds. Here's a quick rundown as far as how we actually plug in the magnetic charging kit systems. To check the shade's battery level as well, you can actually just press and hold the up button while the shade is fully opened, and you press and hold it until the shade starts moving. Let's take just a few seconds here. Now the shade is going to close to the equivalent battery level that the current battery is at. So hypothetically, if the shade was at 50% battery, the shade will close to only halfway. If the shade was 75% fully charged, it would close to 75% of the way. And if it's fully charged, it should close completely as if you had pressed the down button in lieu of holding the up button. And this is the only time you ever hold a button, unless you're holding stop, where you have a favorite position set for that shade. So for this actually screws onto that pole that you have, that extension pole that goes up, I believe, to be 12 feet. Here's the end of your magnetic charger. And then this actually rests inside of this. So the cord goes into there, and you actually lift it up like this. And then you're using this to actually go up and plug into the shade, the magnetic bit that the installer should have installed for you as well. And now here's actually how to use that application standing at the bottom of the window. So for that, again, cord is popped into the holder on the pole, and then we pop this tab that's over here to allow the locking mechanism to release. This extends up as high as you need it. And then you're just going to the back of the shade and pointing this to the end. You'll feel it snap into place. Pop the pole off, and that cord will actually just hang there. And then once it's finished charging, and you'd like to remove the cord, of course, all you have to do is just give it a gentle tug, and that'll come down for you as well. That's about it for that. Thank you for choosing Budget Blinds.